So to install the corner brace, the first thing we'll have to do is take out this bolt in this position here. Take that guy out. And we want to replace it with our supplied longer bolt. And that'll go. That's our setup, so we want this to go through here. Feed that through. Get the nut on. I forgot to put my glasses on, but I still made it. Got that tight. Now we've got our bow knuckle. We just need to fit that onto this bar here. So I want to get it in, spread it apart, clip it on. It's not too difficult. And then we just need to put our bolt through and tighten that up like so. So we want to fit this into position. It's probably about an inch, 25 mil above this bow knuckle when it's in its fully upright position. And then we can tighten this up. Tighten that up. That'll hold that in place. So we've got it held here and here. Simple. So for the final tighten, make sure your little packet of anti-seize will be supplied. Make sure that you've got it on the thread and that it does project inside here. Stainless steel can bind up and you don't want that. So once you've got that fixed, this fixed, you can do your final tighten. What you want is just hand tight. You don't want to over tighten it. If you over tighten this, you start to pull this corner together too much. You can actually put too much tension on this bow. So just tighten it up, hand tight, firm, and then you can work these little nuts down and you lock those in position, and then that corner brace is fully fixed. Do the same on the other side and that'll help with any sideways racking.